Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR, Vinpo-15, 90 Vegetarian Capsules. Product Overview Description. Supports optimal brain function. Premium vegan non-GMO gluten-free dietary supplement. GMP Manufacturing. Quality assured independent testing. Discussion. Vinpo-15 is vinpocetine, a compound found in voacanga. Studies show that vinpocetine has similar benefits to Ginkgo biloba. Suggested use. Take 1 capsule 1 to 3 times a day with food, or as directed by a qualified healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients. Capsule, hypromellose and purified water, microcrystalline cellulose and sodium stearyl fumarate. AOR guarantess that all ingredients have been declared on the label. Made without wheat, gluten, corn, nuts, peanuts, sesame seeds, sulfites, mustard, soy, dairy, eggs, fish, shellfish or any animal byproduct. Warnings. Do not use if safety seal is broken. Store tightly sealed in a cool, dry place. Do not take if you are pregnant or lactating, have medical condition, high or low blood pressure, cardiac arrhythmia, dementia, or have suffered a stroke, or if you're taking any medication, blood thinners. Keep out of reach of children. Hypersensitivity is known to occur, and some people may experience anxiety, gastrointestinal discomfort, dizziness or headaches, in which case, discontinue use. Disclaimer. While IHRB strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by IHRB.